Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. You don't have to open it, just download it. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. Now go into Settings, choose Apps and click on Manage Apps. Then you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Default Apps and finally select one of those options. I will go with Browser because I want to change it, so now I need to click on it, select my Opera and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!